Alright, so in this video, we're actually going to be creating your YouTube channel. And once you're done with filling out all this information, doing your niche research, you should have an idea of what niche you want to be in. And for this program, this course, I'm just going to use crypto as the example because I think it's just something that I would actually be interested in. And I think that's something that's important. Like, I wouldn't say you have to be like just passionate about something. Like I struggled with that when I first started online, but it was something I was at least interested in learning about, right? And that way you can be a practitioner of what you're actually doing. Now, I'm not saying you have to be have $1 million invested in crypto to do the crypto niche. But if you start the crypto niche, I would suggest starting to at least invest a little bit in crypto and truly being a practitioner of what you're teaching, because it just makes you more legit in the viewer's eyes. So it's super important. Just wanted to add that to it. Also, I did add another question right here. How do they make their videos? Okay, so this is things like I put over here on the actual one, like think like screen recording. Is it a whiteboard video? You know what I mean? So when you watch their videos, make sure you watch a couple. You want to really understand how they're making their videos. Like, is there a lot of editing or animation or different things like that seem like it's a lot of work almost? You know what I mean? You may not want to do it, but this is going to be different for everyone, right? So that's up to you. But for this channel specifically, they're just doing like screen recording and voiceovers, okay? So they're just reporting on the news. So it's super easy to create these videos compared to like a channel where they have to animate characters and stuff like that. Like, you probably wouldn't want to start with a channel like that unless you already have that knowledge. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible to do. I just don't know how to do it, so I wouldn't do it personally. But yeah, so that's that. And that's pretty much all I added. And then again, just be specific with this stuff, okay? That way you can look it up and see later in this program, I'm gonna use this and I'll explain it more. But I just wanted to add that quick. And then, so the first step is we have to get the name of our channel. So right here, we have the name of their channel, which is 5 Minute Crypto. And when it comes to niche channels like this, it's almost always going to be just more simple if you have your main keyword in the name of your channel, right? So crypto. What I did here, I went up to Google and I typed in YouTube channel name generator. And I just clicked this first one right here, brought us over here, and then it brought me to like this page here. And I just typed in crypto, okay? Now it gives us like this huge list of just like different possibilities for names, right? Like Crypto Connect, like Crypto Credit, Crypto Secure, like Crypto Quick. That's decent. Crypto Wise, not bad. Yo, this is dope. I've never used this, by the way. I was just thinking like, what's a good way if someone's stuck at coming up with names? So I just typed it in. Again, this is just doing research and just figuring stuff out on the fly. That's what this is all about. And yeah, so just use this if you want. If you got a name in mind, that's fine. But I suggest picking the name before you do anything, because I highly suggest creating a fresh, brand new Gmail account that you're going to create the YouTube channel with. That way it's separate from everything else, and you don't want to make it easier for hackers. Like, you can have I think you can have multiple, I don't know. I always do a new Gmail when I create a new channel, so I don't know, but I believe you can have 6 channels on one Gmail account. But it's like, then if someone hacks that one Gmail account, they got all your channels. It's like, why would you make it easier for them? You know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna say there. So pick your name, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Gmail and create a brand new Gmail account. So if you have multiple Gmail accounts, you just go to your Gmail, then go to the bottom and